Hello again. So by now I think that you would have mastered the white cross. So our next step is to get a white layer. So instead of just getting a white side where all of the whites are here, we need a layer where all of the colours match up along here. And we started to do that when we lined up these two colours together with our white edges. So, when you're starting corners, you're going to be using your first algorithm. And it's a very simple algorithm, but make sure that you've watched the notation video first before doing this. So the algorithm goes R, U, R prime, or R anti-clockwise, and U anti-clockwise. So, this is just 4 letters. How are we going to use them? So, you'll start by looking in your top layer, so you'll have your white cross on bottom, and this is your top layer. And you'll look in your top layer for any of the corner pieces, any of these 4, that have white on them. So, this one has white on it, and you can see that this has orange and blue and white. So, we've got to figure out where this corner has to go on the cube. So, you can see this orange and blue, and we've got orange and blue here. So this corner needs to go into here. And the way that you do it is you put the corner in the top right, and you do your algorithm. R, U, R anti-clockwise, U prime, or U anti-clockwise. And it might take longer sometimes. You can get cases like this where the white is on top. It doesn't matter where it is, as long as it's above where it needs to go. So in this case it would take 3 times to go in. 1, 2, 3. And you can get many different cases. There are 3 main ones. So there is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is this case where the piece is on top, and this one will take 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the last one is when the white is facing to the right, and this will just take 1. And then there are also cases when the corners are in the spot that they need to go, but they're twisted the wrong way, like this case. So in this situation, you just want to hold this corner in the bottom right and do your algorithm. R, U, R anti-clockwise, U anti-clockwise, and then continue doing that algorithm over and over until it goes in. And just for reference, there's also this case where the white is facing to you. You do the same thing, put the corner in the bottom right, and it'll take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'll just give you an example. So I'll scramble my cube up. Alright. So now I've got my white cross. So I'll look in the top layer for any corner that has white. So I see this one. So it's white, orange, and blue. So this orange and blue, where are they? So I've got orange and blue together over here. So we'll turn the top layer until we arrive at this spot. Then we'll do our algorithm until it goes in. And it only took one. Alright, now we look for another one with white, which is right here. This has red and blue. So we look for the red and blue centers, which are right here and here. So we turn the top layer until it's over here. Then we do our algorithm. And it's in. Now we've got this piece, and this one is red and green. Our red and green centers are here and here. And we'll just do our algorithm again. I'll go a bit faster. Now we've got our last corner piece here, and it needs to go into here. And I'll just go super fast because why not? Alright, that's all. Good luck.